This is Army Storm Spider at your newest live. It is currently 38 degrees outside, high of 42 and a low of 34. It's going to be raining until 5 p.m. today. And it's kind of already raining, and I'm getting hosed over here. Fog advisory until like 9 a.m. and then the flood watch until 3 p.m. Yeah, I think we can. It's already flooding over there. That's a lot. So yeah, and it's raining hardcore right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So now remember, weather never sleeps. And again, I'm getting hosed.